Hello everybody, Tanmay here. Today I am going to talk about the scammers on this digital industry, on these social media platforms. These scammers are present on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, and they promise you to, if you can give me 400 rupees, 500 rupees, then I will increase your followers, I will increase your subscribers. Or people like, get 200 rupees or 200 bucks, you will get Canva Pro or any pro subscriptions, Netflix subscriptions, or whatever subscriptions. So these people are all over on this digital media, and I'm going to tell you something, I'm going to spread awareness about these things. So there is an incident happened with my friend a few days back. So I'm going to share that, and please share this video to people who are looking forward to get services like this.
I am on a mission to help 10,000 entrepreneurs to grow their business digitally. You got the best business of your time. Now, raise the money, hire experts, and go. I am here to answer your questions. Start making video content.
So now, as you can see on your screen, there is a scammer. So this is a fake account, and he's chatting with my friend that he's saying that I'm going to help you to increase your subscribers or YouTube followers, YouTube subscribers, or Instagram followers. So what these people do, they do not give, or they do not reveal their face, and they do not give their original number. Instead of while in the time when you pay them money, what they do, they give UPI ID. So why do these people give UPI ID? Because it's not possible to track any UPI ID. It is not possible to track a phone number or the right person behind that UPI ID. So it's there are security terms and conditions about that UPI ID plus WhatsApp as well. So these people connect with you on these social medias, on Facebook, and they will ask you to pay by UPI ID, and then you have to figure out, then you have to understand that this is a scammer, because he is not revealing his face, neither he is giving his own Google Pay or Phone Pay or Beam, whatever number. And what happens, these people are everywhere on Facebook groups. There are so many Facebook groups, or like you can say YouTube subscribe to subscribe, or YouTube get followers, get Instagram followers. These types of groups are on Facebook, and this type of followers post a post. You can see a post here like get 400 or 800 subscribers in 1000 rupees or 400 rupees, whatever it is. So and these people want you to get they have experience in this field. You can ask any question to them, and they feel like the expert in the field. They show that like they are expert in the field. So a newcomer who has less followers, 100 to 200 followers, looking to grow thousands and thousands followers, these people are got fooled by those people. So what security you can take? Do not trust people who is not revealing his face. Do not trust people who is asking to pay by only UPI ID if you don't know that person. Look, I know I have bought so many courses, and I have so many international transaction as well. But when I pay people, I use trust is the factor there, because we should know to whom we are paying. I connect with people on over email as well, but these people are trustworthy because they have their profile sets. They have their photo somewhere on LinkedIn, somewhere on Facebook, somewhere on Instagram, and you have to identify who is the real and who is not the real. So people who are going to take these subscriptions on 400 rupees, 800 rupees subscription, 1000 types of watch hour, please pay attention who are you paying to, because there are so many scammers, and you cannot are you going to go to the police station for 400 rupees? Of course you are not going to go. And this is the advantages these people take. So just take care on this while transaction, and to whom you are paying. There are so many people who are actually good people, who are ready to give you this such services, but because of some people these people got blamed, and nobody the online media is getting scammy and little untrustworthy. So yeah, that's what I want to tell. Please share this message to your friends and your family who are looking to spread awareness by spreading this video. That's what I want to say. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned.